Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I just have a small question today. I have been making these mini verse make it mini balls for some time now, where I open it, make what's in there and make it in 1 to 12 afterwards, making it mostly of polymer clay. I'm not sure you want to see these videos, so I'm asking you because I have like a ton of them standing on top of my furniture right here. I have so many of these and I was going to make one each month, and I'm thinking that maybe you don't even want to see these videos because you're so quiet out there, and I need a tiny bit of response from you because I am kind of running low on doing miniature on camera if I'm not hearing from you or seeing that you like my videos. So please write me comments and give me thumbs up, and I answer every single comment I get. So please tell me a few things about what you like and what you don't like of my videos so I can help improve and make them better. I've been thinking I could make these balls or the content of them to the side and then only make the things that I get in here in 1 to 12 on camera, so you don't have to see me opening these and making the content of them before making my miniature. But I don't know what you guys think about all this and what you like to see more of. Anyway, I love you guys and I'm so happy you all here and watching my content. Please stay tuned. I have so much more to come. But let me know what you think. Help me out here. And I love you all. Thank you for have been with me for so long time through so many things and so many bad things in my life, and you have always been there to pick me up, so I'm really grateful for that. So I love you guys and I'll see you next week. Bye. I'm really going blah.